Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. That's what we're going to be covering in today's video.
In South African law, if parties want a divorce and they have children from the marriage, they can only divorce if the arrangements regarding the children have been attended. What kind of arrangements? We're looking at access to the child, guardianship, contact, maintenance. These are aspects that are important relating to the children, and they must be resolved before the divorce is granted. A court will not grant an order of divorce until the aspects relating to the children have been resolved. That's where the family advocate comes in. The purpose of the family advocate is to assist the children have been resolved. If the parties cannot make the decision together or come to an agreement, the family advocate will make a recommendation to the court regarding the children. They do this by firstly interviewing both parties, both parents, and understanding what their situation is and who will then be in the best position to give the child the best attention and what will be in the best interest of the child. They can also interview the children directly, and that way the children don't have to come to court. How does it work when it comes to the family advocate? The family advocate will interview both parties to come to a decision. When do you see a family advocate? You see a family advocate anytime there is a divorce being taken place at court and there are children from the divorce.
If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.